when you have small wrapper like this, you can use it to make your head wrap. Just do it like this. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. You get your hand. A simple head wrap. Very simple. Braid it finish like this. Braid it. Braid it like this. Braid it like this. Bring another rubber band. Oh, some scots. Okay, since it has scots, you can even do it without rubber bands. And when you finish it, you put it inside like this. And you bring this one. Okay. To show you that you can't tie your hair tie without rubber band. As you can see, my rubber band cuts because only that one that I have. Then I still tie it. I see how beautiful it is. Oh my God. Ah. Very simple and quick. So you can see it in the back. So that's it. See you.